If you love sweet, savory, and juicy dinners, this herb roasted pork tenderloin is about to make you hungry.
A Kegon lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Kegon Lifestyle TV. In today's video, I'll be making this juicy, flavorful herb roasted pork. Let's go. So I'm gonna start off by seasoning the pork real quick, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, guys, so this is my lovely pork tenderloin. All right, so we're just gonna score the pork real quick, and this is gonna allow the seasoning to soak right in. All right, soak up some of that nice Jamaican seasoning. All right, let's do the sides like this, like that. Make sure your knife is sharp. All right, now we're gonna put it back inside of the bowl. Add a little drizzle of oil. Rub it in. Add some all-purpose blend to this nice piece of meat. Make sure you rub it in between the groove, just like that. Flip it over and just repeat the same step. This is smelling good already, guys. Smelling good. Like I said, you want to rub between the cuts. And here I have some fresh garlic, some fresh thyme, fresh rosemary. All right, add a little bit at a time. Add this garlic between the groove, rub it in, flip them over again, and repeat the same step, just like that. So now we're just gonna we're gonna cover it up and let it sit outside of the refrigerator for at least an hour. Let it soak up some of that seasoning, and then we're gonna pan sear our pork tenderloin for about 3 minutes per side, just to, soak in some of that seasoning, some of that flavor. And then we're gonna bake it for about an hour, at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna add a little water to the pan, to the baking dish. Make sure it stays moist, all right? Let's go. Yes, guys, so you wanna turn your stove to about a high heat. Make sure your pan is piping hot, nice and hot. Add a little drizzle of the olive oil. Now we're gonna add our pork tenderloin. Give it a nice sear. Listen for that nice sizzle. Yes, guys. Come on closer, baby. Like I said, you wanna sear it. Give it a nice hard sear for about 2 minutes until it becomes nice and crispy. Sealing that juice, that flavor. And then we're gonna flip them over. Make sure we sear all 4 sides and then toss it in the oven. This is a super easy, recipe to make, guys. Trust me. Like, if you don't really if you're at home and you don't really want to be doing a whole bunch of different things, this is a simple recipe. Sear it and toss it in. All right, guys, so whenever the pork is done roasting, after about an hour, we're gonna make a nice little sauce, nice little gravy, to pour on top after we give it a nice slice, all right? You don't wanna miss that part. Make sure you stay tuned, locked in, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, y'all. This is how it's looking right now. Add some water to that same bowl we seasoned it in, just to get some of that extra seasoning. Pour it on top. A little bit more water. All right. Time to put it in the oven. All Alright guys, so we're gonna start making our sauce, right? So we're gonna add our pineapple. We have some fresh thyme, fresh rosemary. We have some coconut water. And then finally, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. And then we're just gonna blend this together real quick. You know what? 1 second, I'm gonna add some ginger. The ginger is gonna add a nice little punch to it. Rinse it off real quick. Drop it in. Come on now. All right. All right, so we're gonna get our sauce pot nice and hot. We're gonna add some butter, a little bit of all-purpose flour, make a roux, add this to it, and this is gonna be our sauce, all right? Let's go. This is about a tablespoon of salted butter. Once it's fully melted, guys, we're gonna wait until it's fully melted. Then we're gonna add some all-purpose flour, about a tablespoon. Add that all-purpose flour. Give it a nice stir. And we're gonna do this for about a minute, guys, just to make sure the flour is cooked and also to remove that rawness, you know, that raw taste from the flour. All right. And once it started to get a little bit dark, a little bit brown, then we're gonna add our sauce, that blended mixture. All right, we're gonna add that in. And it should become nice and thick, guys. And if it's too thick, we'll add a little bit of water to it. All right, so once this comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat all the way down to low heat and let it, you know, simmer. Simmer for a few minutes. And this is gonna be our pineapple coconut sauce or gravy. You know, this is what we're gonna pour on top of the pork tenderloin once we slice it up at the end. All right, y'all, so after roasting my pork for about an hour, it is good to go. It is ready, and I can't wait to slice into it. So let's slice. Look at that, guys. All white meat. You know, it's juicy, you know, not dry. Can't wait to take a bite. And we're gonna pour that sauce on top. Let's add this nice pineapple sauce gravy on top, guys. Oh my God. Smelling so good. I wish you could smell the sauce, guys. You're smelling that ginger, you know, the pineapple, and the coconut sauce. Coconut water, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Time for that taste test, baby. That's so good. Oh my God. This is juicy, guys. Wow. This right here, guys, the way it's juicy, you don't need any sauce, no gravy, nothing. It's just, it's natural juice. Wow. This is definitely a must try. Yes, guys, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.